Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome back to Aligned and Manifesting. Today's episode is about something that touches every part of your life, your relationships, your career, your visibility, and your ability to receive, and your sense of self. We are talking about confidence. And before we go any further, I want to gently dismantle a myth. Confidence is not something you are either born with or without. It's not loud, it's not arrogance, and it's not walking into a room and owning it flawlessly. Confidence is something much deeper. Confidence is safety in yourself. And the reason so many people struggle with confidence isn't because they are weak, broken, or lacking willpower. It is because their nervous system learned that being fully themselves wasn't safe. So today, we are going to explore why confidence disappears, why some people seem naturally confident, how confidence lives in a nervous system, not the mind, how the energy and self-belief interact, and practical tools to rebuild confidence gently and sustainably, and how we can help our children grow up confident without forcing or pressure. So let's begin. So what confidence really is and what it isn't. Confidence is not about being fearless. Confidence is about self-trust. It is quiet knowing inside of you that says, I can handle this. I can handle myself. I am allowed to be here. I don't need to shrink to belong. True confidence doesn't come from perfection. It comes from permission. Permission to speak, to try, to be seen, and to make mistakes without losing your worth. And here's something very important. People who appear confident are not people who never doubt themselves. They are people whose nervous system learned that expression doesn't equal danger. Confidence isn't a personality trait. It is a learned safety response. So why confidence gets lost? Well, most of us were not raised in environments that encouraged full self-expression. Confidence often gets eroded early through experiences like being criticized or corrected constantly, being told to calm down, don't be too much, or don't show off, being praised only for achievement, not for just being laughed at, compared, or dismissed, being loved conditionally. And over time, the nervous system learns something very powerful. It is safe to stay quiet than to stand out. It is safer to adapt than to express. It is safer to blend in than to risk rejection. So confidence doesn't disappear because you are not capable. It disappears because your body learned self-protection. So let's have a look at the nervous system side of confidence. Let's talk science for a moment. Your nervous system has one primary job: keep you safe. If at any point in your life visibility led to shame, rejection, punishment, embarrassment, emotional withdrawal, your nervous system recorded that as a threat. So now, when you try to speak up, post online, set boundaries, go after what you want, or to be seen fully, your body may respond with anxiety, tightness in your chest, shaky voice, overthinking, having self-doubt, or freezing. But that's not a confidence problem. That's a safety memory. Confidence grows when your nervous system learns, I can be seen and still be safe. So why some people seem confident and others don't? And this is important to understand. People who appear confident often grew up with one or more of the following: emotional attunement, encouragement rather than correction, permission to try and fail, adults who validated feelings, safety around expression, because their nervous system learned early, my presence is welcome. And that's not luck, that's regulation. And the beautiful truth is, nervous system can be retrained at any age. Confidence can be rebuilt. So let's have a look at confidence and our energy and the magnetic effect it has. So when your thoughts, emotions, body, and energy are all aligned, you become magnetic. Insecure energy sends mixed signals. I want this, but I'm afraid. I desire more of something, but I don't trust myself. So confident energy sends a clear signal. I am grounded. I am present. I am allowed to be here. That clarity is what attracts opportunities, people, and experiences. Not because you are forcing anything, but because your system is no longer fragmented. Let's look at practical tools to rebuild your confidence. Tool number 1, micro-confidence building. Confidence grows through small, safe wins, not on massive leaps. Ask yourself daily, what is one tiny action that honors my voice today? One message, one boundary, one honest sentence, one choice for yourself. Your nervous system learns through repetition. Tool number 2, body-based confidence. Place a hand on your chest and breathe slowly and say, I am safe to take up space. And let your body hear it, not just your mind. Take your time with it, because confidence lives in your body. Tool number 3, rewriting the inner voice. Did you ever notice the voice that says, who do you think you are? Well, you can replace it with, I am allowed to learn. I am allowed to try. I don't need to be perfect to be worthy. Tool number 4, regulate before you perform. Before you speaking, posting, or showing up, regulate first. Slow breath, ground your feet, soften your jaw. A regulated nervous system creates confident expression. Tool number 5, identity shift. Ask yourself, how would the confident version of me move today? Not louder, harder, just steadier. Let's look at confidence in children and how we build it early. Children are not born lacking confidence. Confidence is conditioned out of them. Children learn confidence by watching how we speak to ourselves, how we handle mistakes, how we respond to emotions, and how we set boundaries. And here's how you can support confident children. Number 1, praise effort, not identity. Instead of saying, "You are so clever," try, "I love how you tried." Because this builds self-trust, not pressure. Number 2, let them fail safely. Mistakes teach resilience. Failure doesn't destroy confidence. Shame does. Number 3, validate emotions. Confidence grows when feelings are safe. Say, "You are allowed to feel this," or "I am here." Number 4, model confidence out loud. Let them hear you say, "Ooh, I'm nervous, and I can still do this." Or, "I made a mistake, but I'm okay, I'm learning." Number 5, honor their voice. When they say no, listen. A child who trusts their voice grows into an adult who trusts themselves. So, my love, here's what I want you to remember. Confidence is not something you force. It's something you restore. It grows when your nervous system feels safe. It deepens when you stop abandoning yourself. It strengthens when you trust your own voice. You were never meant to be fearless. You were meant to feel supported from within. And as always, in the show notes for this episode, you will find affirmations and journaling prompts to help you begin this process today. So after you listen, scroll down and spend a few moments with your heart. Until next time, go gently, stand steadily, and remember, confidence isn't about becoming someone else. It's about finally allowing yourself to be who you already are.